Hey, it is Jen Eden here. I am back for another week of Jen Eden's thoughts on life. And so get this today. I want to talk to you about how to work on mindset. A lot of women who come see me have upgrades they need in their mindset. Yeah, they want to feel more confident. They want to feel better about themselves. They want to get off sugar because they know it's blocking what they want to be doing with their life more, and it's making them tired and they can't stand their weight. And they're like, something's going on with my mindset. And so I'm going to share that in 1 second. I always say, do you love me by now? If you love my stuff, look, I pay my video gal. Throw us a button down here somewhere. Please, if you love my stuff, subscribe. I would love to have you in my community. Okay. Now, with that said, mindset. I mean, there are books upon aisles upon coaches we can hire. And I'm not saying don't do any of those things. But what I'm saying is what I have found has worked for me around upgrading my mindset is this one thing. You ready for it? Monitor your thoughts. I monitor my thoughts, and not in some obsessive way, but I do notice what I am saying to myself on any given day, in any moment of any given day. Usually when I'm going to be trying something new, right? It feels scary. And so our thoughts can immediately go to negative, tearing us down, or love this one, the voice telling us, oh, you've done this before. How is this going to be different? Or you failed so many times, or some people call, themselves failures or losers. Like, monitor your thoughts, because until you are able to take a thought you're having and upgrade it, you're going to keep having that reoccurring thought. I call it like stuff that's in our blind spot, right? We can't change things that are in our blind spot. But when we can see something we're doing, like saying negative things when we look in the mirror, or if we have a bathing suit on, or if we have our favorite suit on, or something we're going to do, and we're going to go give a talk or something, right? And then a negative thought comes in, yes? And we take it as real and as the truth. But when we're able to catch the thought, and turn it around, you will absolutely start upgrading your mindset. And I'm going to leave you with this because this is very, very powerful. And I teach this in the Sugar Freedom Method. I teach, ask yourself an empowering question when you're feeling down, or you're feeling like you don't like what's coming into your brain and the thoughts you're thinking. Ask yourself an empowering thought, a question. That will give you an empowering answer, and that answer then you get to take action on. So for example, instead of saying, oh, Michelle, Lori, Michael, why did you do that again? Right? If we're eating sugar or drinking wine, or skip the gym, or you lost 30 pounds and you put 20 back on, why'd you do that again? That, my friends, is not an empowering question. That's one I never, ever ask myself. Instead, what I say is something like this. Hey, Jen, what would a successful, lean, peaceful, joyful, healthy, energetic woman do right now? That could be after a binge. That could be after you got up and wanted to skip your morning routine. We've all done it. Ask yourself that kind of question. Because I'm going to tell you now, the answer that I get when I ask that always gets my ass out of bed, gets me back in gear, yes? And what I do is I don't let those little things start to slip that got me where I am in my life. So I'm going to leave you with, ask yourself an empowering question, gives you an empowering answer, and then act on that. And you watch how quick you get a mindset upgrade and your life starts to change. And you didn't even have to read another book. So enjoy it. If you love my stuff, and hopefully I made you chuckle today, hang around. Every Wednesday, I drop a new video, and I'm just here to support you. So thank you for being here. And as always, I will absolutely talk to you again soon.